Welcome to Bears in Exile. Today is Tuesday, January the 15th, and this is a quick hit on silver, gold, and miners. Alrighty, I'm going to start off with silver, going to make it real fast, shorter than last night, and starting with the 60-minute time frame, simply because I was having all of that fun last night with these little hypothetical trend lines. And it did pretty good today, I think. I mean, just for a guess out in, from wherever it came from. Right back inside of it. And why do I think this is so fun? Well, besides coming close, this is something that can be changed to really make sense. I'm going to put that up here like that. And now I'm going to take this and get rid of this tail here like I did right here. And like that. So that's pretty cool, I think. And actually that's good for both sides of the candle, bulls and bears, because it would make an easier breakout to one side or the other. I think it makes a lot of sense. But anyways, this was just for fun. 60-minute time frame on SLV. We can see that we are very squarely overbought. We have the stochastics moving down, the CCI moving down, the RSI moving down very high, the MACD turning, the MACD histogram slanting. The only thing left is the 14-day RSI moving average. That sucker turns down, starts going down. We should have a good move down in silver. Beyond that, we are also still in a topping area. It's not as extreme as it could be, but it's still a topping area in the heat map. Very nice. And just to get that out of the way, going back to the daily. And what do we have here? We had talked about the long-term moving average bar. Should be some kind of resistance to this, and it was. And it was. A nice move off of the high today. And it almost, but not quite, filled this gap right here. So, a little bit more. Could it go up and finish that off tomorrow? Yes, it's entirely possible. But it doesn't look particularly strong to me. It did break this high, and I had talked last night about making a tail up right above that high. So good. As long as it doesn't close above this high, I'm still cool with silver going down. And in the daily time frame, you would say, well, last night the daily was massively strong, and we still do have good confluence in the daily time frame for further movement up. But look at that fast stochastic. It's already starting to attempt a turn. We already have the CCI very, very high, and we are doing this on very low volume. I am skeptical of this. I could be proven wrong tomorrow, but for the moment, I still think that the short side, even if it's just down here to this bottom line, about 28.75, would be a really nice trade to catch, if we can catch all of that. I guess we'll see. Moving on to GLD, which also had a nice day. What did we do? Well, we gapped up thanks to a news report about Germany wanting to repatriate their gold holdings from that are being stored in America, and didn't do it the right way. Gapped right into the long-term moving average bar, and of course fell apart, getting kicked right outside of it. It is a spinning top of a possible range. Not the prettiest thing. Did not come anywhere close to the recent highs, unlike silver. And disagreement in the stochastics. Everything else is the same as silver. No need to rehash. We're not in a topping area in the daily, but we are falling out of a bottoming area. Could we make some kind of a trend line here? No, it's too sloppy. But this looks very questionable to me. Very questionable. I guess we'll see what happens tomorrow, but I do think that metals are a little bit stretched at the moment. Going on to GDX, which is miners. And with the miners, where are we? We're right in the center of this channel, and spinning top telling us absolutely nothing. At least it's a pretty one. So totally confused right here. Candle-wise, the market being confused. Not able to touch the upper, the long-term moving average bar. And just like everything, the other two charts, we already had the fast stochastic turning a little bit. We need more development, but this doesn't look massively strong either. So, my personal feeling is PM's too far. The miners showing weakness, just barely getting up to the halfway point. We would really need something special to kick these over, and if they do get kicked over, there'll be lots of short covering, no doubt about it. But for the moment, it is right on the edge of being able to take maybe a little tumble, maybe a big tumble, a tumble of some sort. So, and oh, by the way, SLV, way outside the upper Bollinger Band. It should go sideways to down to get back inside of it, and that would be really good for this playing out as a proper. It looks like to me it actually kind of shifted a little bit already. But anyways, that's what I think. Hopefully that's not too all over the place. As always, all investing decisions are your own. This chart and video for entertainment, educational, and consumption of time purposes only. Thank you very much.